Hi, you're welcome to this Kalodata tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Kalodata 7 days free trial account step by step. In less than 5 minutes, you should be able to sign up and start using this TikTok Shop tool for your TikTok Shop analytics and insights. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the Kalodata sign-up page. To get to this page, click the link in the description of this video. I'll drop it there for you. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to the sign-up page. The first thing you want to do is enter your email. Very simple and straightforward. Enter your email here, then click Send Code. Kalodata will send a verification code to your email. For example, this is my email for the tutorial. So now we go to the email inbox, copy the code, and go back to the sign-up page. Paste the code into the verification code field and click Sign Up. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. This actually took us straight to the dashboard. Most of the time, you will be asked to enter your password before accessing your account. But if it doesn't ask, it will take you directly to the dashboard, as you can see here. The next thing you want to do is answer these onboarding questions so Kalodata can better understand your needs and give you the best insights for TikTok Shop. For example, are you running a business on TikTok? If you have a TikTok Shop, select Yes. If not, select No. Business type, creator, seller, etc. Team size, 1 to 5 people, etc. You can answer these questions or skip them if you prefer. In my case, it seems I can't skip, so I'll fill them in. Before we continue, if you want to upgrade after your 7-day free trial, Kalodata gives you a coupon code you can use for a 20% discount on your subscription. Click Next. Enter your first name. Next, how did you learn about Kalodata? You can say referral code, channel, or anything appropriate. You can enter our 20% promo code here if you want. Click Next, and it should take you directly to your dashboard. This is the dashboard. As you can see, you get a 7-day free trial. You can now start exploring the tools and features. As I mentioned earlier, you can use the Kalodata promo code to get 20% off. To apply it, go to the plan you want. For example, the professional plan. Click Buy Now, then enter the coupon code MEGA20 to get 20% off. The original cost is $99.90. The code removes $9.99, so you pay $89.91 instead of the full price. You can use the same code for other plans as well. That's basically it, guys. This is how to grab your free trial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.